welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought a new updates regarding PG and PhD admission in IISC Banglore. They have given notification for PG and PhD program for academic year 2022-23 session starting from August 2022. So they have given notification for admission in various category. First one, research program, in that a PhD and M.Tech research. Second, for course program in engineering like M.Tech, M.Design and Master in Management. Third one, course program in science, MSc in life science and chemistry. Fourth one, integrated PhD program. Fifth one, external research registration program, PhD and M.Tech research. The details about eligibility and other things given below. Here you can see research program means PhD and M.Tech research, the departments in which you can apply PhD in science, faculty astronomy and astrophysics, then biochemistry, ecological science, high energy physics, inorganic and physical chemistry, material research, mathematics, microbiology, cell biology, molecular biophysics, molecular reproduction, development and genetics, neurosciences, organic chemistry, physics and solid state and structural chemistry. M.Tech research and PhD in engineering, you can apply for aerospace, atmospheric and ocean science, chemical engineering, civil, computer science and automation, earth sciences, electrical communication, electrical engineering, electronic system engineering, instrumentation and applied physics, management studies for PhD only, material engineering, mechanical engineering, nanoscience and engineering for PhD only, product design and manufacturing, sustainable technology and computational and data sciences. You can also apply in interdisciplinary areas like biosystem science and engineering, offered by Center for Biosystem Science and Engineering. For energy, offered by Interdisciplinary Center for Energy Research. Mathematical sciences, offered by IISC Mathematics Initiative. Water research, offered by Interdisciplinary Center for Water Research. Cyber-physical system, offered by Robert Bosch Center for Physical System. Climate change, offered by Divecha Center for Climate Change. Brain and Artificial Intelligence, offered by Brain, Auto Computation and Data Science Group. Eligibility means applicant possessing minimum of second class or equivalent in following degree as applicable to individual departments areas are eligible to apply. So if you have bachelor degree in engineering or technology or 4-year bachelor of science program and having valid GATE score along with that or NET GRF, that's mandatory, then you can apply for this PhD or M.Tech research program. If you have master degree in science or master degree in economics, geography, geography, psychology, management, commerce, operation research, computer science and application and valid GATE score or NET GRF, then also you can apply if you have master degree in engineering or technology or architecture, agriculture, pharmacy, veterinary science, then also you can apply for PhD program. Valid GATE score or NET GRF or GPAT will be desirable, hence you can apply if you not having a score also. If you have MS or MBA, post BE, BTech or MSc, applicable for Department of Management Study and Ecological Science, then for them it is desirable to have valid GATE score or NET GRF, means they will give in preference. Or graduate of any course with minimum duration of 4 years from any CFTI with minimum CGPA of 8 out of 10 or its equivalent for PhD only, then you can, and along with that if you have valid GATE or NET GRF, then you will be given preference, so you can apply for PhD program. Or MBBS or MD, desirable to have valid GATE score or NET GRF. B Pharma, valid GPAT score or GRF. Or B BTech or equivalent examination of professional societies recognized by MOE, UPSC or AICTE, and having valid GATE score or NET GRF, then you can apply. They have given notes that your GATE score, GPAT, NET, JRF or other national entrance test passing certificate or a scorecard should be valid as on 1st of August 2022. NET JRF conducted by CSIR UGC NET for JRF or UGC NET for JRF or DBT JRF, ICMR JRF, JEST and VHM Research Award or INSPIRE. Applicant must be qualified for JRF to be eligible to apply through NET JRF mode. Applicant applying through INSPIRE mode must be in possession of valid provisional INSPIRE offer for consideration of their application at level 2 of selection issued by DST at the time of interview. Selection procedure they have given: you will be shortlisted based on candidates are shortlisted for interview based on their performance in national entrance test and or qualifying degree as detailed in above table. Selection is based on performance in the interview. In some of departments, an aptitude test or preliminary interview will be precede the interview final interview. Means first they will conduct national entrance test, then preliminary interview they will conduct, after that final interview. Preliminary interview only for some selected departments if the departments consider that. Course program in engineering for M.Tech, M.Design or Master Management they have given. Departments, program and selection procedure. For departments: Aerospace, Chemical, Civil, Instrumentation System or Material Engineering based on 100% GATE score they will select. Electronic System Engineering, Microelectronics and VLSI based on 70% weightage for GATE score and 30% carrier analysis marks. For bioengineering, climate science, earth science, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electronic product design, mechanical engineering, nanoscience and engineering, quantum technology, robotics and autonomous system or signal processing, 70% weightage will be given to GATE score and 30% for interview. For artificial intelligence, computer science and engineering, 70% weightage to GATE score and 30% for written test. For computational and data science or smart manufacturing, 70% weightage for GATE score, 30% performance in written test and interview. Eligibility they have given for this M.Tech program. Applicant possessing minimum of second class or equivalent in bachelor degree in appropriate field of engineering or technology or BTech or BArch equivalent examination of professional society recognized by MOE, UPSC or AICTE, or master degree in physical science, mathematics, statistics, geology, instrumentation, electronics, computer application as applicable to individual departments or program with valid GATE score, then you can apply. M.Tech program schedule for written test and interview will be given on IISC website. You have to go to admission section, and in that important dates on the option is there, you can go in that. COAP provides a common platform for candidate to make the most preferred choice for admission into M.Tech program through GATE in participating institution. Admission offer for M.Tech program of IISc for all above discipline and also for M.Design from GATE stream will be made on COAP website. You have to register on COAP and must update the COAP registration number on applicant's interface. Means what you have to do before applying, you have to register on COAP website, and that registration number you have to give on applicant's interface. A sponsored candidate from defense, work, DRDO, ISRO, NAL, NTRO, like that, applying for a course program under sponsored category must compulsorily fill an online application form and submit the printed version in duplicate on or before 29th of March. Selection procedure they have given already, I have discussed above. Master of Management eligibility: first class or equivalent in bachelor degree in engineering or technology or equivalent with valid GATE 2020, 21 or 22 score, or if you have qualified CAT 2021 or GMAT scores as on 1st of August 2022 are eligible to apply. Selection procedure for management: you will be shortlisted based on interview on GATE, CAT or GMAT scores as per the schedule given on IISc website under important dates. Selection will be based on 15% GATE CAT GMAT score, 15% UG performance, 30% communication skill plus 40% of interview. For MSc Life Science and Chemical Science, you must have, if you want to apply for MSc, you must have minimum of first class or equivalent in bachelor's or equivalent degree in physical, chemical or biological science, including biotech, pharmaceutical, veterinary science and agricultural science, or having JAM 2022 in biotech or chemistry or mathematics or physics. A minimum of first class or equivalent in BE/BTech means if you are applying, if you have done BSc in physical, chemical like that, so JAM 2022 will be mandatory, and if you have BE/BTech and if you are want to apply for MSc in life science, for that GATE in biotech or biomedical, electronics, engineering, ecology, maths, physics, life science. If you have given GATE through these branches, then you can apply for life science. For chemical science, minimum of first class in BSc or equivalent degree with chemistry as one of the main subject with mathematics at PUC or +2 level, and having JAM chemistry score, then you can apply. Selection procedure, they have given selection procedure here. Candidate will be shortlisted for no, it is for PhD program. This one, selection procedure, life science 50% for life science, 50% weightage for written, 50% for interview. Candidate will be shortlisted based on test or interview based on their JAM 2022 in biotech, CY. They have given codes chemistry, MA maths and physics. PH score, GATE in biotech, BM, EC, EY, MA, PH, Excel score. Selection for chemical sciences will be based on 100% in JAM chemistry score they will consider. For integrated PhD program, you can apply for biological science, chemical science, mathematical science or physical science. Minimum of first class in bachelor's degree in physical, chemistry or biological sciences. For biological science, if you want to apply in that, and minimum of first class or equivalent in BE/BTech, and having JAM 2022 in biotech or chemistry or mathematics or physics, then you can apply. For chemical science, if you have done BSc first class, having if you have first class BSc or equivalent with chemistry as one of the main subject with maths as PUC or +2 level, and having JAM 2022 in chemistry or physics, you can apply for chemical science. For mathematical science, minimum of first class or equivalent in BSc or equivalent degree with maths as one of this subject or BE/BTech or equivalent degree, and having JAM 2022 in mathematics or mathematical statistics, you will apply for that. For physical science also, you must have first class BSc with physics and or BE/BTech or equivalent in any discipline, and having JAM into the physics or just qualified, then you can apply. Selection procedure, shortlisted candidate will be shortlisted based on interview of JAM score for all 4 discipline and those clear GIST. For physical sciences, selection for chemical sciences based on performance in interview, and for biological, physical and mathematical science. For chemical science, they will select based on performance of interview. For biological, physical and mathematical sciences based on combined performance in qualifying examination and interview. External registration program, if you want to apply for PhD or M.Tech research, it is meant for professional from R&D organization or industry or faculty members from engineering, agriculture, pharmaceutical, veterinary, medical colleges or university. Eligibility for that is you must have educational qualification remains same. Qualifying in one of national tests like CSIR, UGC NET for JRF, EDC NET for JRF, DBT JRF, ICMR JRF is desirable but not mandatory. So candidate must be officially sponsored by their employing organization, compulsorily fill an online application form and submit the printed version in duplicate as on before 29th of March. For details, you have to visit IISc website. Selection procedure for them is for external registration program purely on interview. This is the application fee. For general, OBC and EWS category, it is 800. For SC, ST and PWD, 400. For external registration program, For all category it is 2000. A sponsored candidate from organization mentioned above as per para 2.1.5 you can see above, it is 800 and it is non-refundable. This is the important dates. Website opens already on 15th of February and last date will be 22nd of March. Reservation will be provided as per government rules. Applicants applying under EWS and OBC as per central list of OBC available must ensure that they are in possession of valid EWS score or EWS certificate or OBC non-criminal certificate issued by after 31 March 2022 at the time of interview and admission. A scholarship. All the regular PG, PhD candidates who join the institute are eligible for scholarship from MHRD, CSIR, UGC, ICMR, DBT, DST, ICT or DI and VHM depending upon their mode of entry. So that's all about today's update. Share it with your friends who want to apply for PG or PhD programs, and subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time. Thank you. Have a nice